Hello, this is Sachin Sawant. I am an immigration lawyer registered with the OISC at level 3. Today in the Q&A series, I am going to talk about landlord's right to rent check. What to do if a check comes negative. So there are instances where the prospective tenant. So this video would be helpful to landlords, estate agents, or even individuals who wish to rent any property. So if you have already filed an application, so if that particular prospective tenant has already filed an in-time application, in-time means before the expiry of their current visa or leave to remain in the UK. Uh, if they have filed an application, then their right to rent will continue till the application is decided. So they would be eligible to continue living in the UK, and you would be allowed to rent them. So the way you do the check is you use the UN unique application reference. So for example, if today someone has filed an application for extension of their leave or any new leave for switching within the UK, and let's say their BRP expires today is 10th of March, BRP expires on say 12th of March, 2 days after today. So what to do from 13th of March onwards? So the normal process is to do the checking of the right to rent through the Landlord's Checking Service. So that is the name of the service. I have some notes here, so I'll go through them. Uh, so if you do the checking service, it has been observed that even after the application is submitted, you use the UN to do the check. Sometimes the check may come negative. Usually that happens because the individual has not enrolled the biometrics. So this is sometimes we've observed that. So for to solve that issue, usually uh, the options would be to ask the tenant to book an earlier appointment. Usually there are free appointments around Croydon side. That's what people wait for. In about 28 days, they get an appointment to enroll the biometrics. But there are paid appointments across various central London locations, mainly Mark Lane, etc. So they may have to go if time is of essence, and so they may have to go for an earlier appointment, maybe get a paid appointment if required. So that is one option. If once they enroll the biometrics, then and again the check can be made even if the previous check has come negative. Another check can be made by the landlord or the agent, and that problem can be sorted. The next check most probably should come as a positive. And second point on this one is yes, sometimes if individuals have filed an appeal, so there are several types of applications where they would have a right to live in the UK, but they may not have a physical document to show you, a BRP or even a share code for, through any digital status that they want to prove. So if they filed a appeal within time, then they would ideally be eligible to stay in the UK at least till the time the appeal is concluded. Uh, so there is a possibility that the landlord or the agent does a check and it does come negative. So in such matters, we definitely advise you to take the advice of immigration lawyers like ourselves. We do advise landlords, agents, and even individuals. We issue letters. We usually go through the case file. We see what has been done. Even if it has not been done, the application has not been filed by us. We can go through what steps have been taken when the application is filed, when the biometrics are enrolled, or when a decision has been received, when an appeal has been filed. By reviewing the documents, we can issue a letter confirming whether or not the tenant has a right to rent in the UK or not, and it can help you to act as a defense in case of any future issues with or levy of civil penalty uh, regarding the right to rent check issues. So we also represent agents and landlords in various civil penalty matters where the penalty has been levied for whatever has happened, and we try and negotiate by producing any mitigating circumstances, evidence that the agent or the landlord is able to produce to us, and we can negotiate the penalty down. So these are different types of services that we do provide. So any other questions you can, if you have any questions regarding a specific matter, then definitely book a consultation with us. The link will be down in below in this video. If you do like this video and it has helped you, or it will also help others, there are many concerns where I have advised myself, and we have been approached by individuals where they would find difficulty in negotiating a new tenancy or continuing the same tenancy, or even so we have advised on either parties, estate agents, landlords, or the other side, even individuals who have issues with right to rent check issues. So we can advise, we can issue letters, any confirmations, and yes, that is something that we can do. If you do need that, do book a consultation with us. uh, if you like this video, do like it on YouTube, share, subscribe to our channel. That is very important. There are many people in similar situations whereby we have seen that the right to rent check is not always favorable. It happens due to appeals, biometrics not enrolled, or some other reason, some system issue. Uh, but yes, this will help someone somewhere. So do subscribe to our channel, so this video will be shown to many other individuals who are in similar situations, and it will help them with some information that may resolve their problem. So yes, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.